Hello everybody, what we're going to be looking at today is the characters in the short story On the Sidewalk Bleeding. Your learning intentions are that you will understand the use of characterization within the text and understand how this adds to the themes within the text. Your success criteria is that you should be able to explain the point of view for each character using circle of viewpoints. And don't worry, this will be explained in this lesson. You should be able to identify quotes in the text to back up your ideas and discuss and answer questions about how and why the characters behaved in a certain way. So this is our circle of viewpoints. It's basically a very big mind map exercise that helps you to see things from all the characters' perspectives. Okay, so in the centre you will have an event, and then around about this event you will have all the characters that have been involved in the story. So let's take, for example, Finding Andy Stabbed. Okay, so if we put Finding Andy Stabbed into the middle of our page, and then we have an arm coming out for each character. So say let's choose the drunk man as our first character. Okay, so the drunk man, we have an arm going out and we would put his name in a circle there. Then we have to answer the following questions. Okay, so how do they feel when or if they even saw Andy? Okay, so he felt drunk and he was a bit giddy. Okay, he didn't feel any sympathy, nothing like that. What did they want to do? Well, he wanted to give him a drink, didn't he? And what made them want this? Well, he was under the influence of alcohol. He was probably thinking, it's just a drunk guy. I'll just sit and have a wee swally with him. Yeah, okay. And then how did they feel towards Andy? Well, towards the end, he actually feels disgust towards him, doesn't he? Because he's not expecting somebody so young to be lying there drunk in an alley. And then you're going to want to try and find some quotes to back up your answers. Okay, so this is where you identify words, specific words, phrases, sentences from the text that helped you find the answers to these questions. And you're basically going to do that for all the different characters. Now Freddie and Angela, I would do them as one. Okay, so you could put them together probably in one circle. Okay, so in the middle you've got your event. Round about that event you've got all your different characters, and you're answering these questions for each character. I hope that does help, guys. Any questions at all, just send me a wee email and I'll see if I can help. Okay, once you've done that, your final task is you're going to answer the following questions, with the exception of question 6. You can't feedback your conclusions in a group discussion in the class, because we're not in a classroom. But if you answer 1 to 5 on paper, that would be brilliant. So, do you think the young couple made the right decision? What were their reasons? Do you think they were morally right? What if you were Andy? And what if Andy was your friend or your brother? Okay, I hope that this has helped you understand the characters in this story a little bit more, and also what they kind of add to the story, the moral message of the story. So if you go back and look at the success criteria, okay, you should now be able to explain the point of view for each of the characters using circle of viewpoints. And you should have identified quotes in the text to back up your ideas. Okay, and then with the final task, you should have been able to answer questions about how and why the characters behaved in a certain way. Okay, I hope this lesson's helped you. If you have any questions at all, feel free to send me a little email, and I will hopefully see you all soon. Take care now. Bye.